Part 1, Kick Cancer's Acid by Christina Blanchard-Horan, Ph.D. Hello, I'm Dr. Christina Blanchard-Horan. In this video, we're going to discuss stress and how it impacts your health. Stress is a hidden driver of disease. We now understand that chronic stress is one of the most significant contributors to modern disease. The relationship between stress and illness is no longer speculative. It is well documented in medical literature. For example, a study published in Frontiers in Oncology titled Chronic Stress Promotes Cancer Development explores the prolonged stress biology may contribute to tumor progression. In Kick Cancer's Acid, we examine how stress, that ever-present companion in modern life, can quietly become an architect of disease. When stress is persistent and unregulated, it does not simply affect mood. It alters your biology. How stress alters the body. Chronic stress activates sustained elevations in stress hormones such as cortisol and catecholamines. Over time, this hormonal environment can increase oxidative stress, impair cellular repair mechanisms, promote inflammation. This creates biological conditions that may support carcinogenesis, the process through which normal cells transform into cancerous cells. Stress, in other words, shifts the terrain of the body. Some superstressors include getting married, death of a relative. Even moving can be a superstressor. What are the effects of chronic daily stress, like driving or work-related stressors? Let's explore this further. One proposed mechanism involves DNA integrity. Elevated stress hormones are associated with increased oxidative damage to DNA. When DNA damage accumulates faster than it can be repaired, mutations may occur. These mutations, when affecting genes involved in cell growth and repair, can contribute to the development of cancerous cells. Stress does not directly cause cancer, not in the simplistic sense, but it can influence the biological environment in which cancer develops. So let's explore how stress suppresses the immune system. The immune system plays a critical role in identifying and eliminating abnormal cells. Chronic stress weakens immune surveillance by reducing natural killer cell activity, by impairing T-cell response, and increasing inflammatory signaling. So when immune defenses are compromised, the body becomes less efficient at detecting and controlling the early growth of malignant cells. Stress, therefore, affects both cellular stability and immune response. So why does this matter? Understanding the biological impact of stress changes how we approach health. If stress alters DNA stability, immune competence, and inflammatory pathways, then managing stress becomes more than emotional self-care. It becomes biological self-protection. In my next video, we'll learn more about how to fight stress, or you can send a message to me if you're interested in a private health talk. Thank you, and God bless.